Hi everyone. Welcome back to English Vocabulary. Today we are going to learn one of the most important tenses in English, the present simple tense. Let's get started. What is present simple tense? The present simple tense is used to talk about daily routines, facts, general truths, habits. Example: I go to school every day. The earth moves around the sun. These are things that happen regularly or are always true. Structure of present simple. For most subjects, subject plus base form of the verb. Examples: I play football. You eat breakfast. We study English. But for he, she, it, add s or es to the verb. He plays football. She watches TV. It rains a lot in July. Negative sentences. To make a sentence negative, use subject plus do does not plus base form of the verb. Examples: I do not like tea. He does not play cricket. They do not go to school on Sunday. Note: use do not, don't, with I, you, we, they. Use does not, doesn't, with he, she, it. Questions in present simple. To make questions, use do does plus subject plus base form of the verb. Examples: Do you like pizza? Does he work here? Do they go to college? Short answers: Yes, I do. Or no, I don't. Yes, she does. Or no, she doesn't. When to use present simple? Use present simple to talk about daily habits. I brush my teeth every morning. Facts: water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. Schedules: the train leaves at 6 p.m. Permanent situations: she lives in London. Common mistakes to avoid. Don't forget the s with he, she, it. Wrong: he go to school. Right: he goes to school. Don't use ing in present simple. Wrong: I am play football. Right: I play football. Quick practice. Let's test your knowledge. She underscore go to school. They underscore not play football. You like ice cream? Answers: goes. Do not play. Great job. Now you know all the basics of the present simple tense. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you want to learn next. Thanks for watching.